Okay, ma'am. If the correct list is okay, ma'am. They will have.
Hello, contestant number 1. Nandita Ranjithanika. Yes.
Myself, Nirmala, and I'm from Bakaria.
Thank you. Sir? Yes.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kushi Gupta. I am from Bakaria, Poland. And I am in 10th standard from Youth Academy English School. And my hobbies are dancing, painting, modeling, and playing guitar. And I hope all the audience are enjoying who are seeing us. And I'm too honored to be a part of Second Mountain Fest.
Hello, contestant number 03. Please come and
Good
introduce
evening,
yourself.
I'm myself, Miss Pratima Sibi, and I'm from Bakaria. Thank you.
Please do not get lost. As soon as you finish your signature forming, introduce yourself. Contestant number 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Tugori Burman, and I am from Bokolia town. I am in 10th standard. Thank you. Have a nice night.
Kamu pada kata anak sama kode kajari blog, kardo, ini mereka disebut terapi, ini jabatan di komunikasi masalah anak-anak kardo.
is dancing and singing. Thank you.
Turn ng pair, nilimen at Serga Tranqui, nilong ng Akipura, turn on. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, my name is Sophie.